There's one mistake that makes comfortable outfits, especially leisure style ones, look like you gave up this morning, and it's not what you think. Today, I'll show you that you can wear practical clothes like sweatpants, hoodies, sneakers, crossbody bags, all the pieces that give you maximum comfort and still look like you have your life together.
Be good, stay good.
Hello beautiful people, a warm welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena and I'm a professional stylist and we're diving right into it. So let's start from what doesn't work, because honestly we've all worn this at some point of our life. I definitely have. So first problem here, zero structure. This is a long shapeless zip hoodie. There's no frame for the body, no silhouette, no visual accent. It just hangs on me. And then same story with this type of puffer jacket. It's not bad, it's practical, but shape-wise, it's doing absolutely nothing for you. It's just existing on the body. Second thing, and this is a big one, I'd say the most crucial style mistake here, all four pieces are sporty. Hoodie, sweatpants, sneakers, puffer jacket, all items look sporty. And when everything is sporty, the outfit stops reading styled and starts reading gym, or like you're about to go to the airport at 5 a.m. and you just gave up emotionally. Listen, comfort is not the problem. Let's restyle these exact pieces in a modern chic way. I'm just going to redirect it a little. So first thing, I swapped the shapeless hoodie for a more structured one, and yes, I deliberately chose a shorter cut because it immediately gives the silhouette some shape and some like structure, and this already looks so much more flattering. Next, I swapped the t-shirt for my old striped button-up, and I love this one because it's still soft. It's not that super crisp office shirt energy. It still feels weekend, still relaxed, just a bit more intentional, and the outfit instantly feels so much more elevated. And it's just one swap, just one step. So instead of the puffer jacket, I'm adding my soft wool blazer / coat, and notice this is not a super structured tailored coat. It's still relaxed, still soft, still comfy, so we're not killing the comfort, we're just upgrading the message. And then my fabric bag that I love so much, I bought it like a year ago, and I know a lot of you bought it after my recommendations, and honestly it's such a perfect weekend bag. It's weightless, it's unique and very comfy. And look how different this reads already. Same comfort level, completely different vibe, and honestly the rule is super simple here. Hear me out. So keep the sporty base, but swap one, and I mean one piece for something casual. I swapped the white tee for a button-up, added accessories, and that was already enough. And if you are ready to lift the look up a notch, wear a soft coat instead of a puffer jacket. And here's another example of the exact same approach, and honestly, this is how you can look absolutely chic even wearing a hoodie. I start with the same sporty base, but this time I keep the top and I swap the sweatpants for casual pants. You've seen these pants like, I don't know, a million times here on my YouTube channel. My checkered pants are from Cezanne. Same zip hoodie, same accessories, and this already feels so much more polished. Same soft coat, and that's it, we're done. I'm still wearing comfy sneakers, my Reebok classic sneakers, perfect neutral design with that soft retro vibe, cozy long sleeve, a hoodie, weightless bag, basically all the softest, most comfortable pieces you can imagine. But now it reads put together, modern, like I have my life together, well, at least visually. Let's put it this way. And by the way, if you want to recreate all the outfits from today's video, everything is already linked in the description box, including some more affordable and region-friendly alternatives. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll notice I'm often like restyling the same pieces so you can see how a real wardrobe actually works. Another way to make sporty outfits look chic, think fabrics. Instead of sporty cotton, keep the same relaxed, comfy cut, but move into knits. Knitted fabrics usually look more polished, less sporty, but you still get all the good stuff: warm, soft, cozy. So here I'm wearing knit pants in basically the same cut as the sweatpants from the previous look, and instead of a hoodie or sweatshirt, I go for a sweater polo. Even the long sleeve top swapped for a thin knit turtleneck top for additional warmth and comfort. I keep the same neutral gray and white palette just to keep it very wearable, very easy, nothing complicated. Added the wool blazer. Again, you've seen this one before because this look needs a little structure to pull everything together. And a crossbody bag, because honestly, nothing is more practical than a good crossbody bag. And that's it. Soft, warm, cozy textures, my favorite sneakers, practical bag. It feels exactly as if I'm wearing a sweatpants set, but it looks so much more elegant and chic. I hope I have inspired you to think wider than just cozy means sweatpants. And okay, let's move on. Another example here, I'm not only swapping sweatpants cotton fabric for soft knits, I can also swap something like a nylon sporty jacket for the similar silhouette but in a wool matte fabric. I'm wearing a fully knit combo that I basically pulled together using only what I already had in my wardrobe. I mean, these are pieces from my older videos. You've definitely seen them before, and some of you maybe even shopped them. A relaxed sweater, a warm black thin turtleneck just to keep me warm, my favorite chunky sneakers, the ones I featured in my video about how to look chic without heels, remember that one? And then this bomber jacket, because design-wise, yes, it's sporty, but it's made of wool fabric, and that's exactly what makes it look more refined, less gym, more real-life wardrobe. My big quilted bag when I need to carry half of my life with me, and I love this kind of balance. Sport elements mixed with elevated fabrics instead of typical sporty fabrics. It just feels very modern and still super wearable. Now, if you like comfort of knitted pieces, but you want something a little softer, a little more feminine, you can style the same idea like this. A slightly waist-shaped cardigan immediately makes the outfit feel softer, more everyday chic. And I added a beaded necklace, honestly, just because I love pieces like that. And minimalist black sneakers, when they blend into the pants, they almost disappear, so the line stays clean and a bit longer, and this is exactly where minimalist black sneakers can save you from wearing maybe more elegant but stiff shoes. Perfect if you love knit comfort, because knitted fabrics are super practical for real life, temperature changes, long days, walking, life in general, but you still want to look cute and modern. Now, let's switch to something a bit more fashion forward, but still insanely practical and comfortable, like outfits. You can live your whole day in without feeling trapped in your clothes. I start with these parachute style trendy pants because I love loose cut pants or barrel leg pants for days like this. They are loose, super comfortable, very movement friendly, but already feel more city than gym. On the top, I'm layering soft knits, my favorite soft long sleeve top, and a pink cashmere top you've seen before, so soft like a feather level coziness. Then I add my sneakers, real life requires real shoes. I go with the sneakers in the same shade as pants to compensate that oversized cut and slightly elongate the silhouette. My signature look accessories, practical bag that has a nice wide shoulder strap, small things that make the outfit feel finished and comfortable at the same time. Then I throw on a raincoat, still practical, still weatherproof, perfect for rainy days, and it actually has a hidden hood tucked into the collar. And this is what I love about outfits like this. You feel like you're wearing loungewear but you look like you actually planned the outfit. And of course, you know me, color combinations are a big part of how I make even simple outfits feel alive. Save this color combination for the next time you need some colorful inspiration. So yeah, comfort and style are not enemies. You just need the right mix. I hope this gave you some fresh ideas, and you're always welcome to check my description box if you want to recreate any of these outfits. I added the exact links plus some alternatives for different regions and different price points. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.
Summer love.
And you're still here sitting in front of your screen. It means you want to watch another video. My recommendation would be one basic cardigan and 11 different outfits from casual to bold. I'm sure you want to watch this one. Click. See you there.